Hi, everybody, and well done on your fantastic work yesterday. So, during yesterday's lesson, you were asked to gather information on the giant panda. So, you were doing the research part of the report. Today, we're going to put the full report together and we're going to write a report on a giant panda. So, we're going to go through the different steps. So step one, you need to draw a picture of a panda. After you've drawn a picture of the panda, I want you to label each of the parts of the panda using your adjectives. So if you need to go back and do a little bit more research based on the appearance, you can do that. But take out your page that you worked on yesterday, and this will help you. So step one, draw a picture of the panda and label the different parts. Don't forget to color your panda in. Step two, you're going back and you're looking at the gathering information chart from yesterday's lesson. So I filled in my chart. Now your chart might be a little bit different. You might have different interesting facts. You might have used different adjectives and parts for the appearance, but that's what's going to make all our reports different and unique. So don't be worried. So I've classified the panda as a mammal. From reading the book, I've written that pandas are black and they have black and white fur. They have sharp claws, strong jaws, and large teeth. Their diet or what they eat is bamboo. They live in China in forests. And the three interesting facts that I chose were they climb trees, they live alone, and newborn pandas are the size of a stick of butter. So you need to take out this sheet that you did yesterday or the copy that you've written these facts in, because after we have done step two, we are ready to write our report. So all this information we've gathered in step two is going to form the basis of how we write our sentences. So now I'm showing you the report that I've written on pandas. So step three, write the report using the gathering information sheet. So again, I've used all the information on this sheet to inform my report. So the first thing I did was title, report on giant pandas. So I have just put in these symbols here so we can check that we've used all five, but you don't need the symbols, you can just write. So pandas are mammals. They have black and white fur. They have sharp claws, strong jaws, and large teeth. Pandas eat bamboo. Pandas live in forests in China. Pandas live alone. They climb trees, and baby pandas are called cubs. Okay, so again, you're using your gathering information sheet from yesterday to write your report on the pandas. Okay, so now it's your turn. So this is what I'm looking for from you today. I want you need to take out your gathering information sheet again. If you haven't done that, you're going to have to gather all your information to write your report. In your copy like this, at the top, I want you to have a title, Report on Giant Panda. In the picture part, I want you to draw a picture of a panda and label it using adjectives. You can color in your picture of your panda too. Then in your writing part, I want you again to use your gathering information sheet to help you write your sentences. So write one or two sentences for each of the following: what it looks like or the appearance, what the giant panda eats, another word for that is its diet, where it lives or its habitat, and some interesting facts. And what I'm looking for as well, just don't forget, always when we're writing, our capital letters, our full stops, and our joint handwriting if you can. If you can't use your joint handwriting, don't worry, just make sure that the key things that we have today are our appearance, diet, habitat, and interesting facts. And I'm really looking forward to seeing all your reports on giant pandas. Good luck and have fun.